Exercise 32A. Question number 1. What do you understand by a plain closed figure? Already explained to you question number 1 and question number 2 introduction part. So don't write that questions on copy. Write from question number 3. Find the perimeter of each of the following closed figures. So this is question number third one in which we are having this following diagram. As you can see, here we are having hyphens. ये lines use की गई हैं, single line और यहाँ पे single line. तो ये single line ये indicate करती है कि ये part और ये part means ये part और ये part दोनों equal है. तो ये single line के साथ ये part की value कितनी है 5. So this one also 5. Okay, then this double line, where we are having double lines, here we are having, and the value is this part 15. So that means this one is 15 centimeter. Then now 3 lines we are having here and 3 lines we are having here. So this is 10 centimeter means this one is also 10 centimeter. Then 4 lines we are having here, 4 lines having. Then 25 centimeter hai, so this is also 25. Now you can name this one as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now perimeter we have to find. So perimeter equals to sum of sides. So AB plus BC plus CD plus DE plus EF plus FG plus GH. G H and in the last HA. As you can see, AB, value of AB is 15, so write 15 plus BC 25, so here 25 plus CD 10, so 10, DE 5, okay, then EF 15, then FG, this one is FG, how much? 25. Then GH, this one is GH 10 centimeter, then last HA 5. So add this 40, then 50, 55, 70, 80 and 30. 110 centimeter is the required perimeter for this diagram. So second question you can solve. Third, second you can solve. The same you have to solve. Question number 4. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. So question number 4, find the perimeter of rectangle whose and when you are having some conditions. The first question is length equals to 40 centimeter and breadth equals to 35 centimeter. Now perimeter of rectangle, you know very well formula 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. So 2 into in bracket length, value of length 40 plus value of breadth 35. So now 2 into, solve this bracket, 40 plus 35 75. So multiply now 150 centimeter is the required perimeter. So question number 2, the same meter you can solve. Then question number 4 is also same, you can solve. Third one is different. In third one it is given length is 8 meter. Length is 8 meter and breadth is 80 centimeter. Okay. So the same formula you have to use. 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. But length you are having in meter but breadth is in centimeter. So you are supposed to convert any one unit. We can convert this meter and centimeter as well, but any one you have to convert. So as you know, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 8 meter will be equals to 8 into 100, so 800 centimeter. Okay. So your length is now 800 centimeter and keep this breadth same. So now 2 into value of length 800 plus value of breadth 80. So 2 into 800 plus 80 will be 880. So 2 0 is 0, 2 8 is 16, 1 carry, 16 plus 1 70. So 1760 centimeter. Okay, so this is the required perimeter. Then question number question number 5. If P denotes perimeter of rectangle, L denotes length, B denotes breadth. Find the first question. Length we have to find. Okay, perimeter is given 38 centimeter, breadth is given 7 centimeter. So you know formula. Perimeter of rectangle equals to 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. So 2 into in bracket length plus breadth. So length we have to find, so write L, plus breadth is 7, so write 7. Now perimeter is given how much? 38. Okay, so now this length we have to find. Clear? तो अब ये ब्रैकेट के आउटसाइड में 2 है, इस 2 को इधर ट्रांसपोज कर देते हैं, तो यहाँ 2 मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, जब इस साइड आएगा तो क्या होगा? डिवाइड होगा, तो 38 डिवाइड बाई 2 इक्वल्स टू L प्लस 7. ओके, सो नाउ 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 जा 2, 1 remaining, 8 will become 18, 2 9 जा 18. Clear? So from there we are getting length plus 7 equals to 18. So now length equals to, transpose this 7 to the right hand side. So 18 minus 7, and in the final length is 11 centimeter. So this is your required answer. So in this way you have to solve. Then second question and third question both are same. Third actually is same, perimeter is you have to find. Second also you can solve. Second question 3.2 meter and 100 centimeter. So convert this 3.2 meter. So 3.2 meter to centimeter means 100 multiply होगा. Decimal है, decimal हटा दो, 32/10, 0 0 get cancelled. कितना आ गया? 320 centimeter. Now solve this. Okay. So question number 5 you can solve. Question number 6. Find the perimeter of a square whose each side is 1.6 meter. So perimeter of square equals to 4 into side. This is the formula. So 4 into side. Value of side is given. Each side how much given? 1.6 meter. So 1.6. So just multiply. 4 1 ja 4. 4 into 16 upon 10. So 16 into 4. 64 divide by 10. So you can write 6.4. Okay, 6.4 meter is your perimeter. Now if I want to solve this question, for example, if you are having perimeter, okay, if you are having perimeter 10 meter, and now you want to calculate about side. You want to calculate side. So perimeter equals to what? 4 into side. Value of perimeter 10 equals to 4 into side. So side we have to calculate. So side equals to what? 10 by 4. Clear? So from there we are getting 2.5 meter. So this is the value of side. So like this you have to solve question number 7.